I part and j part, and here number of fractions are 3 but steps are same. Again we will find equivalent fractions for 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, and for that equivalent fraction we will need the LCM of denominators, and here we have 3 denominators, 3, 4 and 2. So let us find the LCM of all 3 denominators, and that that LCM is 12. Now we will find the equivalent fraction for 2 by 3, for 3 by 4 and for 1 by 2, and those equivalent fractions must have their denominators 12. Okay, so we will write 12 in the denominator. Now which number should I fill here so that denominator turns to be 12, and that number is 4. Same number I will write here, and now the new numerator is 8. Here which number should I fill here so that denominator becomes 12, and that number is 3. And same number I will write here. Now new numerator is 9. Here which number should I fill here, and that number is 6. And same number I will write here in the numerator. So my new numerator is 6 now. Now we have 3 equivalent fractions for given fractions. We have 8 by 12 which is equivalent to 2 by 3. We have 9 by 12 which is equivalent to 3 by 4. We have 6 by 12 which is equivalent to 1 by 2. So value of these fractions has not changed. Okay. Now we will apply the given operation of addition between all these 3 fractions, that is 8 by 12, 9 by 12 and 6 by 12. As all these fractions have their same denominator 12, so we will write only once 12 in the denominator, and in numerators we will add all the numerators. Here it is 8 plus 9 plus 6, and when we add it is 23 by 12. Okay, whenever in our answer we have an improper fraction, we will not leave the answer same as it is. We will try to convert that into mixed fraction. So when we will convert this into mixed fraction, it will be 11 by 12. Okay, so whenever you have improper fraction as your answer, you need to convert that into a mixed fraction. Whenever you have proper fraction, then it is okay. Now as J part, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. We have 3 different fractions again with different denominators. Let us find LCM of all these denominators, LCM of 2, 3 and 6, and that will be 6. So we will find equivalent fractions for 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6 now, and those equivalent fractions must have their denominators 6. Now for 6 to be denominator, we will fill 3 here because 2 cross 3 is 6, and same 3 we will write here in the numerator. Now 1 cross 3 is 3. Same way 3 is here, and we need denominator 6. So by which number should I multiply here? That number is 2, and same number I will write here in the numerator, and my new numerator will be 1 cross 2, 2. Here if we see denominators are already same, so I will write 1 because 6 cross 1 will be 6, and same number I will write here in the numerator, and 1 cross 1 will be 1 now. Now I have 3 new equivalent fractions for the given fractions. Okay, now I will apply the given operation, and the given operation is addition. 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Now all these fractions have their denominators same, so I will write 6 in the denominator only once, and then I will add all the numerators. Okay, now 3 plus 2 plus 1, it is 6, and denominator also it is 6, so I will cancel these 6 and answer is 1. Thank you.